In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change Amazon country settings. Whether you're moving to a new country or just need to access a different Amazon store, for your shopping needs, adjusting your country settings is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, open your web browser and head over to the Amazon website. It's best to ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're on the home page, take your mouse and hover over the Account and Lists option, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. This section is crucial as it houses all your account settings and preferences. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From there, look for the section labeled Your Account. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page with various options related to your account management. Here, you can handle everything from orders to payment settings, but today we're focusing on changing your country settings. In the upper section of this page, you'll see a tab labeled Preferences. This is where you need to go next. Click on Preferences, and you'll be presented with a list of options. These options allow you to customize your Amazon experience to better suit your needs. Among these options, you will find the country settings. Now comes the key part, selecting your desired country. You should see a list of countries associated with your address. Choose the one you want to switch to. This is particularly useful if you're relocating or if you simply want to browse and purchase items from a specific country's Amazon store. Once you have selected your country, make sure to update the settings. This step is crucial as it ensures that your account is properly configured for the new country's store. After you click to update, a new tab should automatically open up. This tab will take you directly to the Amazon store for the country you just selected. It's a seamless transition that allows you to start shopping right away in your new location. You'll notice that the product offerings, pricing, and availability might differ from your previous settings as each country's store is tailored to its market. And there you have it. Changing your Amazon country settings is as simple as that. Now you can explore and shop across different Amazon marketplaces, making sure you get the best deals and products that suit your needs. This quick guide should help you navigate through the process easily. Remember, if you ever need to switch back or choose another country, just repeat these steps and you'll be all set. Enjoy your shopping.